And how's it going, guys? It's i7 Tech here, and today I've got a special video for you guys, the Huawei Watch GT2E. So if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. With that being said, I'm i7 Tech, and let's get into this video. Now, this Huawei watch GT2E. Now, this watch has been given to me so that I can set it up and then send it back to the owner once I'm done. But I just want to do a quick little unboxing for you guys just to show you what's inside. Basically, what you get is the charging pad right there, which is pretty simple. You plug it into the watch and then plug in a USB type A, and then you charge the phone. And what you see inside is the user manual. I'm not going to take them out right now because it's going to be a mess, and I want this box to be as clean as possible when it goes back to the owner. Now, when you take it out, on the side there, you've got your charging cable. Now, it's a USB type A charging cable, so pretty much self-explanatory, very easy. Now, getting back to the watch, as you can see, it looks very sleek and it looks very nice. For a GT, I've never used a smartwatch that's like this, but this one looks really built well. As you can see, I haven't connected it right now, but by the time this video is recorded, it will already been set up and it would already been working. Now, I'm not gonna do like a setup video or a review of this watch because it's not mine. I just wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys just to change up the content on the channel. I've been doing a lot of tutorials, and now I just wanted to show you guys a little bit about this watch. So if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. I'm i7 Tech, and I'll see you guys in the next one.